Top of the morning, evening, night, or day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Here today on behalf of Santos Creative Network, bringing you another episode of the Rock and Roll Life. And in today's video, we'll be reviewing a portable Bluetooth speaker that is more portable than the word itself. So if that sounds right up your alley, don't forget to stay up until the very end. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, this video is for subscribed devices only. So if you'd like to proceed beyond this point, the notification and subscribe button are right in front of your face. If you are a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you very much for being here today. It is a pleasure to see your face again. On that note, I hope you are comfortably seated, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain bringing you the end of intermission. Kick back and relax. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you found a comfortable seat here in my office. The survival pouch is open, like always, but not open enough for you to see what's inside. In today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be reviewing this Bluetooth speaker. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the smallest Bluetooth speaker that I found on the market. It's called the Lexon Mino, and I have this in my survival pouch because it's always handy to have something on your person that plays music a little bit louder than your phone, especially when you're out in outdoor adventures. So, ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you the Lexon Mino speaker. This is really tiny. It's only got one button here at the bottom, which is the power on and the power off. To turn the volume up, you gotta do it with your phone and turn up the volume that way. And I really like this Bluetooth speaker because it's pretty light and Santos proof. I'm gonna give you guys a quick demonstration of what this bad boy sounds like. Tap it here on the bottom, hold, and it's on. There's a little light flashing here on the bottom, which means it's ready to be connected with my phone. It's already here on the bottom. It's the Lexon Mino, like I said. Boom. So we're just gonna pair the speaker really quick. As you guys can see, that was smooth. Let's go over here on YouTube and look for a song that doesn't have any copyrights so you can hear what this sounds like.
Feeling heartbroken over a copyright claim on your latest video?
Yes, I am. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what the Bluetooth speaker sounds like. As you can see, it's tiny, but it's good enough to have a party out in the woods. So in terms of battery, this device isn't gonna last you ages. Been with me since the beginning of summer, and I really like it. It's really light. It plays louder than my phone, and it's so easy to forget that I'm even carrying this speaker that I just bring it everywhere I go. There's been times where I've been hanging out with people that they turn around to me and say, "Oh, I wish I brought my Bluetooth speaker." And that's when I often remember that I've brought this with me and that I'm a well-prepared man. So that, ladies and gentlemen, pretty much brings us to the very end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed it and that you are here to stay. Preparedness can allow fluidity into our lives. Have you ever ordered an Uber, got off the couch, started getting ready? By the time you are ready, that Uber is arriving, and all you do is walk outside, open the door, and get into the car. There's no interruptions to your process. Life feels as fluid as it can be. I love that sensation. So my survival pouch is a way to have that sensation in times where I would feel like I would be so able to help if I had this. I decided to make this survival pouch review series for that reason. These things are small, but they really make up for adding fluidity in my life. And I hope that you guys are enjoying the survival pouch reviews. And I also hope that you guys are making the most and learning a few things with this series, because I'm having a lot of fun making it. Don't forget to like, share if you know anyone who likes this kind of stuff, and subscribe so you can tune in for the next one. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section, because it's Santos Creative Network. We roll as a unit, and this is a judgment-free zone. So yes, that is your captain bringing you the end of intermission. Catch you on the next one. Peace!